Hello everyone, today we're diving into a simple Python program. We'll be creating a program that takes a number from the user and calculates the sum of its digits. We're importing the array module although we're not using it in the current code. We're initializing variables to store the sum of digits in the loop counter. Now, we're using a loop to iterate through each digit of the user input number and calculate its sum. Finally, we print the total sum of digits. That's it, it's that simple. If you have other topics or questions, please let me know in the comments. Until the next video, take care.